we are taking all the cleaning items. Very good. Makeup place and Kipana is helping me a lot. Oh my god, 1 liter.
Front of the house with the petrol pump is going to come.
We are come to a new house. Actually almost पहुंच गए हैं.
My parking.
That's going to be our parking. Finally we reached to our flat and we have come over here to check some of the things जो भी हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे करने के लिए बताया था. So it's just 2 days more remaining. So we thought we should come and check everything what is supposed to be fixed. So यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने बोला था उनको और एक वॉशिंग मशीन लगाने के लिए. सो दैट इज ऑलरेडी प्रोविजन किया है और एक वॉशिंग मशीन लगाने के लिए. एंड देयर आर सम मोर थिंग्स वी हैव टोल्ड. वो सारी चीज़ें हो गई है. वी बॉट सम क्लीनिंग स्टफ एंड ऑल. तो यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी क्लीनिंग हो गई है लेकिन आई वॉन्ट द क्लीनिंग टू बी लाइक द वे आई वॉन्ट. तो इसलिए मैं थोड़ा सा किचन को साफ करूँगी एंड किचन में जो भी क्लीनिंग के आइटम्स है वो सारे लेके आए हैं हम लोग. सो वी आर गोइंग टू पुट दैट. फ्राइडे द पैकर्स एंड मूवर्स विल कम एंड पुट एवरीथिंग ओवर हियर. शिफ्टिंग विल ऑफिशियली विल हैपन ऑन फ्राइडे. हियर वी बॉट एवरीथिंग. सारी चीजें यहाँ से हम लोग लाएंगे अंदर एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू पुट इट. सो फर्स्ट थिंग आई एम गोइंग टू क्लीन द किचन काउंटर एंड स्टार्ट एवरीथिंग.
Now you can shoot live cooking.
See, when there are vloggers, the first thing every vlogger needs is a light. If they are vlogging in the house. You know, इस फ्लैट की क्या खास बात है? They are the lights. I love these lights very much. बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे. So we bought only the cleaning stuff. This is all cleaning things.
Maybe you have to leave this near the bathroom.
Why?
The washing you will keep here. You take it in the bathroom and wash.
So right now you keep it over there. There is place, no? We will be shifting and outside of that vacuum cleaner.
Here.
Yeah.
Stand and the conversation.
Now I feel our house is like clean without touch. Shall I open one chair? Since 2 hours we are standing. तो ये है हमारा एंट्रेंस. एंट्री करते ही कुछ इस तरह से थोड़ा सा छोटा सा पैसेज है यहाँ पर. उसके बाद जैसे ही हम एंटर करते हैं, when I open, this is how my kitchen looks like. So entry करते ही we have a washing machine over here and यहाँ पर 2 washing machines आएंगे. तो already
इसको खोलेगा तो हम लोग इधर नहा लेंगे.
already water will come. से दोनों washing machine यहाँ पर रखेंगे हम लोग. ये washing machine जो है तो यहाँ पर 2 washing machine का provision किया गया है. So we can add one more washing machine which is ours. तो जैसे ही enter करते हैं यहाँ पर वो है and then electric cooking range. And this is the chimney which I always wanted. ये है cupboard, ये है हमारी chimney, ये है हम और ये है हमारा kitchen. Then once you go in little in the front और भी cupboards है और भी cupboards है. Cupboard के थोड़ा सा side में यहाँ पर है हमारा sink area और यहाँ पे अभी एक काम हुआ है तो let it be open. This is the window. Morning में good view we will get and little more in the front I have one more cupboard. Down and on top we have kept open. थोड़ा सा इस तरफ आते ही we can see. We will take you to the kitchen.
In the summer, if there is heat, you have to just keep this door open.
And I'll go inside this. We have that big fridge. We have small one, but इस kitchen में 2 fridge रहेंगे, 2 washing machines रहेंगे. So this is the washing. This is the fridge which we got already. Sensor. This sensor.
But why it will go off if it is open?
Not required, no? From outside you can see, maybe that's why. So that's the fridge and kitchen where I'm going to be the maximum time. यहाँ से थोड़ा सा बाहर आते ही this is our hall. This is quite big hall, quite big window. This is what we wanted. तो यहाँ से भी अच्छा view है. And the best part of this flat is the lighting. So we get in one light 3 different colors. Yeah, that's the good part. थोड़ा सा आगे जाते ही hall से what you see is over here is our common bathroom. कॉमन बाथरूम को ओपन करते ही इट्स वेरी स्मॉल वन. The only disadvantage is we don't have a tub in this bathroom. हमारे पहले के फ्लैट में we had a tub, but this bathroom don't have tub. From there, right opposite of that, which is our master bedroom. के अंदर we have a big window, and here we have a good view. Then this is our master bedroom. Again, a good lighting. थोड़ा सा बाहर आते ही then we take a turn, and here we have another bedroom which is not a master bedroom. Again the same structure and same facing outside. And here once we go out, we have another room which we are going to turn into a small study room, small one, and back to our hall. So this is how our house looks like. We are done with our cleaning and everything, and it's around what is the time?
It's almost 11 o'clock.
And we just left from there. पहले तो सोचा था कि सब clean है, सब clean and all that. Means I just went and checked something, and I noticed that there is a lot of dust still.
Not lot, honey, but there was
Yeah,
dust.
there is dust on top area.
Like
and
if there are
like
two layers
windows
of
and
dust.
all.
Yeah, two layer of dust. One layer he has removed.
Yeah,
One layer
so-
he kept for us.
So last minute we had to clean that area, so that's why we got so much late, and we are on the way. I don't know whether Hena and Hetam went to sleep or what exactly. They are with his mamu. Hello. Where? Hena. Hena is a good girl. So we are come back home. Yeah, Hena. Hena miss mama. Mama gone. They say bye bye. Hetam is gone to sleep, and Hannah is over here. Anyways, guys, we reached home, and we are going to end our vlog here only. We will see you in our next vlog. Bye bye. Till then, take care and bye bye. Bye bye.